Geechee Nation Appreciation, or to accept a proclamation on behalf of the Gullah Geechee Appreciation Week.
Yes, sir.
And could you announce your name for the public and the clerk, please, ma'am?
Yes, sir. I'm Queen Quet, Chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation.
Okay, would you come forward? This is a Jasper County Council proclamation, proclaiming the week of July 30th to August 7th, 2016 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Whereas Jasper County is one of the most historic low-country counties in South Carolina, and in the 18th century this area and the South Carolina coast became the locale of some of the richest rice and farming plantations in the South, which were linked to specific West African ethnic groups who became known as Gullah Geechee. And whereas the Gullah Geechee civilization originated in West Africa, its people coming to the United States as slaves to work on these plantations in the coastal regions, including South Carolina, and with their African fair, original language, and craftsmanship, the Gullah Geechee people left their mark on the southeastern South Carolina. And whereas the Gullah Geechee culture has had a powerful impact on the low country of South Carolina, including Jasper County, and these Gullah Geechee influences have helped to define our southern lifestyle and culture. And whereas the preservation and celebration of the Gullah Geechee culture has gained momentum due to the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Act, created by United States Representative James Plowman, as well as the efforts of others such as Queen Quet, Chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and Kwame Shaw, co-founders of the International Gullah Geechee Nation Celebration and the annual Gullah Geechee Nation Music and Movement Festival. And whereas it is appropriate to recognize the importance of bringing awareness and appreciation for this rich culture and history in order to increase understanding of all the contributions the Gullah Geechee have given to our area. And now therefore be it resolved that Jasper County Council does hereby recognize the 2015 Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival and proclaim the week of July the 30th to August 7th, 2015. It should be 2016, and I would ask council for a motion to correct the misprint by the printer from 2015 to 2016.
So moved, Chairman.
On behalf of the Jasper County Council, I'm going to change that misprint until we can do better. Claim the week of July the 30th, August to August 7th, 2016 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Jasper County, and encourages its citizens to participate in educational activities aimed at increasing both knowledge and appreciation of this rich culture. Jasper County Council, signed by L. Martin Sauls, 4th Chairman.
Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, okay. Does anybody else want to come down? How about?
Well, y'all gonna do me like that? Okay, now. I make a motion, y'all come down.
We're right behind you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank
Got
you
anything you
for
want to say?
coming. Yes. Good evening.
Tell the chairman what you want to say, sir.
Chairman, you need to make a motion. Good evening, council. Thank you one more again for celebrating Whit Week, the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. We had plenty fun last year, and we know they've been on the first year joining me, and last year you've been in a different building. So this is a beautiful place to come in this evening. I've been wondering why GPS been sending me the wrong way at first. So thank you for having me back, and thank you for encouraging everybody in this your county, but getting over who we to be down young. A lot of times you may not hear Gullah spoken in Jasper County out in these public meetings anymore. However, you have a lot of Gullah Geechee people that still make up this county. And we thank you for honoring that legacy here in Jasper County. So thank you very much. And if you're interested in coming, I'm going to leave some information with the clerk so that all of you can come to the celebrations that are happening up and down the coast. And also, if you are a Twitter person, just follow us at Gullah Geechee, and you'll see all the different activities going on, as well as what we post about Gullah Geechee history here in Jasper County. So thank you so much.
Thank you.